Today we will learn how to power up and connect the code reader. Here we have the main power and communication cable assembly. This cable assembly consists of 3 separate connections. First, the serial communication cable with a DB9 female connector. Second, the power cable. By default, this cable is supplied with a protective socket rather than a power adapter. Remove the socket to expose the red and black power wires. Strip the wire ends and they will be ready for direct connection to your control panel. Finally, we have the digital I/O flying leads. These wires can be used for trigger inputs as well as output signals such as good read, no read and camera ready. Let's begin by preparing the power cable. After removing the outer sheath, you will find 2 wires, red and black. The red wire is connected to plus 24 volts DC and the black wire is connected to 0 volts DC. Once prepared, we will connect them to the power supply in the next step. Next, let's look at the digital input and output wiring. Attached to the cable is a label showing the wire color codes and their corresponding functions. The code reader provides 2 digital inputs and 3 digital outputs. The inputs can be connected to an object detection sensor, a PLC, or any compatible triggering device. Input 0 is identified by orange wire, while input 1 is identified by the yellow wire. To complete the input circuit, the white and purple wire must be connected to be common ground or 0 volts DC. Let's prepare these connections and connect them to the SIG sensor. The power supply is now ready and connected to mains power. Let's connect the code reader power wires to their designated terminals. Now switch on the power supply. The power wiring is complete. The code reader has now been mounted on a positioning arm. Next, we will connect the power and communication cable. The power connector is an M12 female connector featuring a key gateway that ensures proper alignment. Carefully align the connector and tighten it securely. Once connected, the code reader LEDs will begin flashing, indicating that device has powered on successfully. Now let's connect the communication cable. The green cable features an 8-pin connector on one end and an iRAYPLE Ethernet connector on the other. The key design ensures proper alignment during installation. This connection allows access to the code reader for setup, monitoring and configuration. The code reader is now powered on and ready for the configuration. Connect the iRAYPLE Ethernet cable directly to your PC's LAN port or use a suitable adapter if required.